switching in positions for you. In the kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I'm gonna need a lip that's way I'm pumping through hoops. I'm gonna love you, then there's nothing I wouldn't do. What I won't do, switching for you. Yeah.
Come on, everyone. Let's pick up these pins and keep on bowling.
Keep on bowling.
Oh no! Poor Gobble was so tired, he fell asleep again.
And he fell in the hole.
Gobble! Whoa!
Yeah! That was the best slide ever!
Whoa! What is this place?
It's an ice cave, Mim Mim. A rather large one, too, by the looks of it.
Is that?
The Christmas tree! We made it, Mim Mim! We're back!
You made it!
Blink my eye. Welcome.
Thanks! Oh, we're so glad that you fixed the tree!
We wouldn't have found our way without it.
Yeah, about that. We did get the Christmas tree back up again.
But we couldn't relight it. See? Tack's new bulb is right here.
Mim Mim, look! It's Santa Claus!
That's me.
Santa! It's Santa Claus! Santa's here!
Oh, my! I didn't mean to startle him. Are you all right, Mim Mim?
Oh, I'm fine, Santa.
Thanks, Santa.
This is the official channel of 3D House Show.